I posted a video showing you how to wrap up a cake for delivery, and I had a lot of comments saying that they don't like to have the plastic wrap coming down the sides of the cake. So here is another option for you. What I like to do is cut the lids off of two boxes, and I will set those aside. I fold in two parts of the back of the box, and I always like to pull down those tabs so the box doesn't come undone. I get my cake out of the refrigerator and put it in the box, and then again I'm going to seal it and pull those tabs down so it doesn't come undone. Stick some business cards in there, and I have the two cake box lids, so I'm going to fold it on the seams, and I have some duct tape here, and we're going to tape these to the side. You want to make sure it's not too high or too low. It's got to be just in the right position. So I'm getting a little bit of duct tape halfway onto the box lid, and half of it is sticking out, and I am wrapping this around the side of the cake and press that down. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, getting the duct tape half on the box and letting half of it stick out on the bottom and wrapping it around the side of the cake box. And then I also tape down the two flaps that are sticking out in the front and in the back. And then I have an 18-inch wide roll of food safe plastic, and I lift it up and drape it over the top of the cake, and I cut it with the slider cutter. And then I have some Scotch tape, and I'm going to tape this down. So I do the four corners first, so I wrap it around the box, and then I tape it half on the plastic and half on the box. And then I just do the same for all of the bottom corners first. And then I tape down the sides. So again, I'm just getting the Scotch tape half on the plastic and half on the box to make sure it is secure. And there is the cake all wrapped up, and I can store it in the fridge until it's ready for pickup or delivery. Here is the cake that I made, and I do have a tutorial showing you how to decorate this entire cake. Make sure you follow or subscribe for more cake decorating tips.